Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to showcase 8 beautiful hair ideas that you can try in 2023. We start things off with this beautiful shaggy haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. I love how this cut looks with her natural curly strands. Absolutely beautiful. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up we have this gorgeous layered haircut. And as you guys know, layers are going to be a huge trend that we're going to be seeing in 2023. And this next haircut by Wolf also features beautiful layers. And layers are a great way to add some height and body to your hair. And if you're wondering if you can wear this hairstyle at any age, you most certainly can. The next hairstyle features someone with salt and pepper hair getting the layered hair look. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the color variation with the gray in the very front. The platinum really just helps frame her face and creates a beautiful highlight. And then we are going to see this stunning layered bob haircut transformation. Beautiful, love that color mix that the stylist did as well. And then we're going to see someone also try the layered trend as well as this dark copper reddish tone hair. Followed by someone getting the dark orange hair color trend. And then we have another beautiful layered haircut. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.